ultimate destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A cedar wood pergola design is a sophisticated architectural outdoor structure characterized by a sturdy framework of vertical posts supporting a cross-beam roof of open rafters or purlins. Unlike a gazebo, which has a closed roof, a pergola is designed to define a space while remaining airy and connected to the sky. When we specify cedar wood, we are referring to a premium construction choice that utilizes the natural heartwood of cedar trees, known for its rich reddish-brown hues and aromatic scent. Historically, these structures served as walkways or sitting areas to support climbing plants. But in modern home decor, a cedar pergola acts as a focal point that bridges the gap between the interior of your home and the natural beauty of your garden. Choosing cedar for your pergola design offers a myriad of practical and aesthetic advantages that few other materials can match. Primarily, cedar is naturally resistant to rot, decay, and insect infestation due to its organic oils, meaning it can withstand the elements without the need for heavy chemical treatments. This makes it an environmentally friendly and long-lasting investment for your backyard. Beyond its durability, cedar is incredibly dimensionally stable, which means it resists warping, twisting, or shrinking even as it ages. Architecturally, it provides a warm, high-end look that instantly increases the curb appeal and market value of your property. Furthermore, the porous nature of the wood allows it to take stains and paints beautifully, though many homeowners prefer to let it weather into a stunning, natural silvery gray over time. Decorating a cedar wood pergola is all about layering textures and lighting to create an inviting outdoor room atmosphere. Start with the ceiling by hanging string bistro lights or Edison bulbs along the rafters to provide a soft, warm glow for evening gatherings. To add softness and privacy, consider installing weather-resistant outdoor curtains or a retractable fabric canopy that complements the wood's natural tones. Greenery is essential. Training climbing vines like wisteria, jasmine, or grapevines to crawl up the cedar posts creates a lush, organic feel. Underneath, anchor the space with a durable outdoor rug and arrange comfortable sectional seating or a dining set. Finishing touches like hanging potted ferns, decorative lanterns on the corner posts, and a few plush outdoor pillows will make the space feel as curated and cozy as your living room. The best style for a cedar wood pergola depends entirely on the architectural language of your home, as cedar is incredibly versatile. For a modern or contemporary look, go with a minimalist style featuring clean, straight lines, square-cut rafter tails, and a dark obsidian or charcoal stain. If you prefer a traditional or craftsman aesthetic, a classic design with decorative scrolled ends on the beams and chunky, tapered columns works beautifully. For those who love the Mediterranean or rustic vibe, a heavy timber style with thick beams and natural light-colored stains highlights the wood's raw grain and knots. Ultimately, the most successful style is one that harmonizes with your existing landscape, using cedar's natural flexibility to create a structure that looks like it was always meant to be part of the garden. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best cedar wood pergola design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The Modern Swing Haven. This design features a clean-lined cedar pergola built over a stylish paver patio with stone infill. The standout feature is the integration of heavy-duty wooden swings suspended from the crossbeams, surrounding a central modern fire table. It's the perfect blend of playful relaxation and contemporary architectural lines. 2. The Grand Traditional Pavilion. A massive, thick-beamed cedar structure that commands attention. This design uses ornate, stacked rafter tails and heavy support posts to create a permanent outdoor living room. It features a raised dining area and a separate lounging zone, all protected by the dense overhead lattice of the cedar roof. 3. The Poolside Classic Retreat. This elegant design utilizes white-painted masonry columns topped with a rich, dark-stained cedar header and rafters. Situated right at the edge of a crystal blue pool, It provides a sophisticated shaded area for plush red armchairs, offering a high-contrast look that feels like a luxury resort. 4. The multi-level attached pergola. Perfect for homes with large patios, this cedar structure is attached directly to the house and features a unique tiered roof design. By varying the heights of the pergola sections, it defines different zones, one for outdoor grilling and another for casual dining, while maintaining a cohesive look against the home's side. 5. The stone base luxury lounge. This design elevates the cedar pergola by mounting the posts onto decorative stone pedestals. The warm cedar tones contrast beautifully with the rugged stonework. Inside, a ceiling fan and integrated lighting make this a functional space day or night, situated right next to a built-in spa. 6. The minimalist Zen deck. Focusing on less is more. This design features thick, dark-stained cedar beams with very little overhang, creating a boxy, modern silhouette. It sits on a matching timber deck and includes a sleek, built-in outdoor fireplace and privacy screen, making it a private sanctuary for modern sectional seating. 7. The hexagonal fire pit circle. A creative departure from the square norm, this cedar pergola follows a circular or hexagonal footprint. Suspended wooden swings face inward toward a central stone fire bowl, creating a perfect conversation circle. The geometry of the rafters meeting in the center adds a stunning visual star effect. 8. The private cabana with drapes. This design emphasizes comfort and seclusion by incorporating black outdoor privacy curtains on all sides of the cedar frame. The dark fabric pops against the warm wood, and the interior is filled with wicker furniture and oversized cushions, turning a standard backyard into a private VIP cabana. 9. The extended sun-dappled terrace. An expansive cedar pergola that stretches across the entire back width of a brick home. This design uses closely spaced rafters to maximize shade while still letting in slivers of sunlight. It's an ideal setup for large families, providing enough room for multiple dining tables and potted tropical plants. 10. The Evening Glow Entertainment Hub. This design showcases the beauty of a cedar pergola at night. With a curved header beam and integrated string lights woven through the rafters, the structure glows over a professional-grade outdoor kitchen and stone fireplace. It proves that a pergola can be the ultimate hub for nighttime entertaining. A cedarwood pergola is more than just a backyard structure. It is an investment in your lifestyle and your home's value. Whether you are looking for a quiet place to read under the shade of climbing vines or a grand stage for summer dinner parties, cedar provides the durability and natural beauty to make those moments special. Its ability to age gracefully and fit any design style, from modern minimalist to rustic traditional, makes it the gold standard for outdoor architecture. If you found these cedar pergola designs inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more outdoor living inspiration. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and tell us how you plan to transform your backyard this season. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.